You think you're lazy, right? You sit there scrolling, wasting time, knowing exactly what you should be doing, but you just don't do it. But what if I told you you're not actually lazy? You're just afraid to force yourself to take action. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe. This video might just change how you see yourself forever. The truth about laziness. Laziness isn't the problem. Fear is. The fear of discomfort. The fear of failure. The fear of stepping outside your comfort zone. You say, I'll start tomorrow, but deep down you know that tomorrow never comes. It's not that you can't do it, it's that you won't force yourself to. Hey, are you listening? Let me prove it to you. Think about this. Have you ever forced yourself to do something uncomfortable, like jumping into a cold shower or waking up super early? At first it felt terrible, right? But after a while you realized it wasn't as bad as you thought. The fear was worse than the reality. So, let's break this cycle, step by step. Step 1. Get comfortable with discomfort. Your mind is wired to avoid pain and seek pleasure. That's why you reach for your phone instead of working on your goals. But successful people, they've trained themselves to do hard things, even when they don't feel like it. Hey, I'm talking to you. You want an example? Look at Navy SEALs. Their training pushes them beyond exhaustion, forcing them to embrace discomfort. And guess what? Those who succeed aren't the strongest or fastest. They're the ones who force themselves to push through the pain. Do you understand? If they can handle that level of discomfort, you can handle starting your workout or working on your dreams. So, let's move to the next step. Step 2. Set non-negotiable rules. Discipline isn't about motivation, it's about rules. If you only act when you feel like it, you'll never do anything. You need to create a system. Listen, are you paying attention? Here's an experiment. A study found that people who committed to a no matter what rule were 80% more likely to follow through. Why? Because decisions take energy. When you remove the choice, you remove resistance. So here's your rule. No matter what, I will do 10 minutes of work every day. That's it. Once you start, momentum takes over. Your brain realizes, oh, this isn't as bad as I thought. Got it? Good. Now, on to the next step. Step 3. Stop thinking. Start moving. Overthinking kills action. The more you think about something, the less likely you are to do it. Ever stared at your phone thinking about calling someone but never did? That's overthinking in action. Hey, are you still with me? Try this. The 5-second rule. Count down from 5 and just move. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. It tricks your brain into bypassing hesitation. Are you getting this? Stop debating. Start moving. Let's hit the next step. Step 4. Face your fear. Head on. What are you really afraid of? Failing, looking stupid, feeling uncomfortable, whatever it is, recognize it. Once you do, you take away its power. Are you listening? Science backs this up. Exposure therapy, forcing yourself to face fear, literally rewires your brain. When you do something scary repeatedly, it stops feeling scary. So tell me, what's your fear? Whatever it is, face it today. All right, moving on. Step 5. Build a streak, not just a goal. Stop aiming for perfection. Aim for consistency. One small step today leads to massive change over time. Still with me? Listen to this. Jerry Seinfeld, one of the greatest comedians, built his career on one rule: don't break the chain. He forced himself to write jokes every day, even bad ones. Over time, the small habit turned him into a legend. Do you see the pattern? The secret to success isn't talent. It's showing up every day, no matter what. You're not lazy. You're just afraid to force yourself out of comfort. But now you know the truth. The question is, what will you do with it? Hey, before you go, if this video spoke to you, let me know in the comments. What's stopping you from taking action? I'll be reading every reply. And if you have any other struggles, whether it's self-discipline, motivation, or something personal, let me know. I'll make a video to help you out. The next step, Watch You versus You Master Yourself or Stay the Same. That video will show you how to break free from your own limits. Click on it now. I'll see you there.